Hello everyone, Joe here from PTS, and today I'd like to demonstrate the SSE Golden Test mobile app that it's used to help with the COVID-19 testing. This application is developed on our Tracer Plus platform, and it's designed to assist medical professionals with patient data entry, with check-in, and the completion of a screening questionnaire based on CDC guidelines. It also allows healthcare providers to scan a patient's driver's license through the car window, minimizing that patient to caregiver contact, while also increasing the throughput speeds of testing. So what you're looking at here is our patient check-in form. So this is what they'll see, or what you'll be using when a patient arrives to a testing site. So the first thing you'll do is scan their driver's license. This will parse out all of the information into the relevant fields. You can also key this information in if they do not have a driver's license. Now we'll enter some contact info. In this case, I'll just enter a phone number and then click Next to move on to the questionnaire. Here you can log any symptoms that they may have, as well as answer 3 questions on whether or not they're a healthcare worker, if they've been in close contact with someone who has COVID-19, or if they have traveled to a level 3 or 4 country within the last 14 days. Clicking Next will bring you to another page where you can select whether or not the patient has any underlying illnesses. And when completed with this questionnaire, you will simply click the Print Label button. This is going to print a barcode label on a mobile printer that contains a data matrix barcode with all the patient info and questionnaire answers, along with a QR code that the patient can scan to get more information on COVID-19 and potentially their test results. This barcode should now be placed on the window where the patient is sitting in the vehicle. When you're ready for the next patient, simply click New Patient and repeat this process again. Now when the patient arrives to the actual testing part of the site, they will go into a patient testing form. This will most likely be on a second device. So you'll open this form up. Once again, you will scan their driver's license. Then you will scan that data matrix barcode that was printed on the car window label. This will parse out all of the patient's information and confirm it matches the license you just scanned, so that you know that the patient information matches. Once you do that, you're moved to the next page where you can review their answers to the questionnaire from when they checked in. Next, if the test tube that you'll be using to perform the test contains a barcode, you can scan that now. Otherwise, you can click the Print Label button. This will ask if you would like to print a test tube label. If I hit yes, this will print out a test tube label, and this will contain all of that patient information, as well as the questionnaire answers that can be placed on the test tube when you're finished. I will confirm that it printed. Now it's going to print a second label that can be placed on the bag that the test tube is being placed into. And once again, this contains a 2D barcode of all the patient information and their questionnaire answers. I will click yes to confirm that the label printed. Simply now place these labels on the test tube and bags, and then send them off to the testing site. The testing site can now scan these barcodes and parse this data into their systems, such as a LIMS system or anything else they may be using. This should facilitate the speed of collecting the information from the sample. Well, I hope you liked today's demonstration. We're hoping that this helps with the testing of COVID-19, and I hope everyone stays safe. Thank you.